2 weeks ago, una niyong napanood dito sa Showbiz Central ang tungkol sa mabigat na pagsubok na hinaharap ngayon ng dating model actress na si Ana Margarita Gonzalez.
Her 2 children were abducted by her Spanish husband last January 31.
Matapos mag-file ng kasong abduction with conspiracy ang pamilya ni Ana Margarita laban sa asawa nito last February, isa pang reklamo ang isinampa nila nito lang nakaraang linggo for domestic violence. Ngayon, handa na rin ilahad ni Ana Margarita ang kanyang damdamin.
I'm very fine here in my parents' house. I'm very, very fine. I'm not sick. I just felt sad because I lost my kids. And I really want them back because they belong to the mother.
Kamakailan lumabas sa isang artikulo sa pahayagan ang umano'y pagkakaroon ni Ana Margarita ng psychological imbalance at bipolar disorder. Impormasyong nagmula raw sa ilang mga malalapit kay Ana at sa asawa nito.
There's nothing wrong with me. He said from my youth, no, you can attest to all my friends. I've never been psychologically ill. Now I've been living here for 5 months and everyone can attest to you that there's nothing wrong with me at all. Manila Standard wrote the side of the story saying that I did all lies, numerous things, that I displayed violent behavior. You know, with kids, I don't believe in spanking. He said that I'm violent. How dare he? Because I never even pinch my baby. They're my life. Those kids are so beautiful. And I'll never, never, never hurt them. Never. And he claimed that I would talk to myself and all lies in Manila Standard. That's why I want to sue them for libel because that's not fair.
Sinubukan kunin ng Showbiz Central ang panig ng Manila Standard tungkol sa issue, ngunit minabuti muna ng mga ito na hintayin ang anumang reklamong isasampa ng kampo ni Ana Margarita laban sa kanila bago maglabas ng anumang pahayag. Naikwento rin ni Ana ang ilan sa mga umano'y naranasan niya sa piling ng asawa for the past 4 years at kung bakit madalas siyang nasa ospital ng mga panahon yun. Ngunit higit pa sa anumang pagkwestiyon sa katinuan niya, mas nasasaktan si Ana sa tindi ng pangungulilang nadarama niya ngayong wala sa piling niya ang 2 anak.
The only thing I have is insomnia. I can't sleep because I wanna be with my kids again. Now, I'm glad my depression has lifted. But instead of talking about it, you know, I'm glad I'm not depressed. But just talking about my kids makes me cry because I love them so much.
Kaya naman gano'n na lang din ang determinasyon ni Ana na ipagpatuloy ang laban para maibalik sa kanya ang mga anak na umano'y tinangay ng asawa patungong Spain.
And I'm willing to fight and do whatever it takes to get my kids back. I do not trust him with the kids because if he can hurt me, he can hurt anyone. And he can hurt my babies. And I don't want that.
At sa gitna ng labang kinakaharap ngayon ni Ana para sa karapatan sa mga anak, nananatiling nakasuporta ang buong pamilya niya, lalo na ang kapatid na si Cristina at ang amang si Jose Marie Gonzalez.
Also being a mother myself, syempre, it never happened to me, but I can imagine how it feels. Kasi, diba, your kids being taken away from you by force, ganyan. The truth will always come out in time, diba? So, maganda na yung ganito na nalaman namin yung katotohanan tungkol sa husband.
Well, I'm happy that Ana now is gotten over with. Maswerte naman siya na at least naagapan natin at hindi siya namatay. May araw din sila.
Isang mensahe rin ang gustong iparating ni Ana Margarita sa mga taong umano'y nakasaksi sa mga namagitan sa kanila ng asawa niya for the past 8 years.
I want to appeal to all the ones who worked for me before to come out already.
At nang matanong ng Showbiz Central kung ano ang nais niyang sabihin sa asawa niya at this point,
I have nothing to say to him, Mary. I have nothing to say to him because I'm so disgusted at what he has done to me. Because I wouldn't want this situation to happen to anyone else. Lose their kids in one day.
Nang subukan naman ng Showbiz Central na kunin ang panig ng asawa ni Ana Margarita sa nasabing usapin, nagsabi naman ang mga ito na makikipag-ugnayan na lamang sa amin ang mga ito sa tamang panahon.